Hello. So I wanted to make a meal with just these potatoes and two eggs. And I feel like it's not going to be enough. It's not going to be filling for us. No, for me. So I need to make it work. We need to make it work, right? Like, we need to make it work, right? Right? So let's make it work. Let's make it filling for us to eat. You understand? Hmm? See ya.